Alright, hey everyone, Blue Jay Gamer here. So today we're going to be working on a maze game. This will be the second project that we're working on, and arrow keys, alright. So this is what the finished product will look like, something like this. So you can bounce off the walls, you can move around. It's fairly simple. Yeah, and then so pretend I'm going through the maze, you know. Easy. This is actually the harder version of the maze, just to get that out of the way. But yeah, and then you touch that. Thanks for playing, and then that's good. Did I? No, that was a different one. All right. Okay. So to get started, what I'm going to get you guys to do, actually, yeah. Give me like 2 seconds. Alright, so here's a fresh Scratch document. So what I'm going to first get you to do is, for my junior highs, you're going to go to Google Classroom and download the image that I have provided. And then from there, you're going to upload a sprite from file, just like I have done here. And for me, I believe it's in here. There will be an easier maze, don't worry. And we're just gonna, oh no, that's a sprite, that's not what I want. Sorry about that. You're gonna go into backdrop first, backdrops, and then upload from file. That's what's gonna be, that's what you want. Okay, now this is a little funky. I'm gonna fix this up a little bit. Don't mind what I'm doing, this is just some graphic stuff. I just don't wanna keep using new recordings. No, that's not good. I'm gonna be like pixel perfect here. Actually, that's okay. No, it's not. Actually, for the purposes of this video, it will work. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is go over here. We're gonna paint one sprite. We're gonna get all the graphic stuff out of the way first. We're gonna go text and finish. You want something to, and we're gonna make it red, just because we don't want colors clashing later. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just gonna roughly set the center to about there, and that's good. So you go over to scripts, and the first thing we're gonna do is pull a win flag is clicked over, and motion, and we're gonna drag a go to. Oh wait, no, not yet. We're gonna bring that over there, then drag a go to X. Why? Because the automatic coordinates that are placed within here are the coordinates of your sprite's current position. So if I was to watch these right here, if I go and drag it over here, they change. And now when the flag is clicked, because we did it before, it goes back to that position. Okay, for actually the cat here, we're gonna take the button down here, the shrink button, which is obvious enough, and you're gonna click on the cat. At least the cat, I'm using the cat, until he's small enough to fit in here. And I think I want to go one smaller. Yeah, there we go. It's just so that he can fit in the walls of the maze. For my junior high students, if you're using the easier maze that I'm going to have available, that is completely fine. Your cat will just be a little bit bigger. Yeah, so then the next thing we're going to do is do the same exact thing here, and go to. Then we're going to have a forever and an if, and we're just going to get the end part out of the way, touching sprite 1, which is our finish over here, and we're going to have him say thanks for playing my game for 2 seconds, and then we're going to throw in a stop all command. Now that that's out of the way, the next thing we're going to do is when up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow are pressed. Okay, and then we'll throw in a repeat until, which is, so yeah, repeat until, and then we're going to put in an operator command, not, and then key and then it'll be the same key we put before. So whatever we put within this repeat until command, or repeat until loop, it's going to go through that until you let go of the up key now. And then we can duplicate that, put it over here, go down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. So now we have walking in every direction. And next what we're going to do is, with the up arrow, this is on the y-axis now, you're going up and down. So if you're going up, you want to change y in a positive direction. And the best that I find for walking is 3. You want to change your y by 3 y positions. And then, just to be precise, you wait 0.0005 seconds. Now you can duplicate that, put that over here, and for the, oh, that's left arrow, I want down arrow. And then you just change y to -3 because you're going down. And then the next thing we're going to want to do is motion. For left arrow, we're going in a left direction. And that's now on the x-axis, which is the horizontal movement. Because we're going left, it's going to be negative. So we go -3. We go left 3. And then the same thing, we just wait 0.005 seconds. Then we can duplicate that and throw it into the right arrow and make it +3. No, not 0.3, +3. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is drag that down there and throw in an if statement, and we're going to throw this into all of them. Oh, no, that's not what I want. There we go. Duplicate and duplicate. So the next code we're going to throw in is the if touching color block. So you just click on the color you want. This pointer kind of sucks. I changed up my pointers, and the hyperlink one, it just sucks. I mean, it's really cool, but it sucks. Anyway, so now whenever your sprite is touching the color black, that's what's going to happen, what we're going to put in here. Now let's clean up a little bit. What we're going to do for the up arrow is, what we want to do is simulate bumping back so that we don't, because if we just stop our script, which is going to happen after, it's going to be stuck in the black and your code is never going to work. So that's why we do a -3 to put it back in the white. So like, say your sprite's going like right there, and if it touches the black and we just stop walking, and then you try to walk again, it won't walk because you're touching black. So if you're going up and you're touching the up like that, you want to bounce back. So that way you don't have to worry about being stuck, so you just go back here, change y by the same, sorry, not that one, by the same number that you did up here, except the opposite sign. So for the down arrow, instead of changing y by -3, we change it by 3 to go back up. And then with x, you do the same thing. Change x by 3 if you're touching, so you bounce back, and -3 for this. And then we're just going to throw in a stop this script onto all of them. Nope, that's not what I want. There we go. And let's keep going. Clean things up. And oh, look, see, now he's stuck in there and he won't go anywhere because he's stuck in the black. No matter how much I try, he's stuck in the black. So if we click the flag, he goes back to the position we set him to, and bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, and now he won't get stuck. See, when he's touching that black, he can't do anything. He's stuck. He moves the 3, and nothing happens, and he tries, and he tries, and he tries, but nothing happens. So that's why we have the if touching color black, so that he bounces back. Okay. I believe that's it. Yeah, let's finish off this maze, and yeah, I think that's actually the that's it. Okay, just like draw out the solution for the maze for you is gonna be a little quicker. And you go this way and this way. Don't mind me going over the walls. And oh, we're here. We're at the finish of the maze. Ready? Thanks for playing my game. And then you're done. There's a maze game for you. Yeah. For my junior highs, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I am more than willing to help you out. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. See you later.